father and son relationship is always special, and for me also, I think my father has always been my role model and inspiration, because right from my childhood I used to see what my father used to do, and he inspired me. He's an eminent doctor, so I used to get really excited whenever his patients used to come and talk really high about him, and also the way he used to conduct himself, give so much of respect to the elders, so passionate about his medical profession. For him, his patients were everything. He used to always, irrespective of whether it's putting trouble into his personal life or his body is at online, but he always used to make sure that his patients are comfortable and give the best medical attention possible to his patients. I think I was very fortunate, even though I wanted to become like my parents, a doctor, and I got 98 out of 100 in my 10th. In my 11th and 12th, I took BPC, got a rank in the entrance exam, and almost got a medical seat. But what was important for me is simultaneously my cricketing career was also progressing, and I was on verge of playing for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy when I was 17. And probably that was the toughest decision in my life. And unlike other parents who actually force their kids to become a doctor, especially when the parents are doctors, I was very fortunate that my parents gave me the freedom and the independence to choose my own career. And I was very lucky that what message they passed on to me was, it's not the profession which glorifies you, but you go out and glorify the profession. And whatever profession you take, make sure that you're very passionate about it and you're working hard to achieve your dreams and achieve your potential. So I was very fortunate that at that tough period, my parents gave me the freedom and independence to choose the profession, which was what I liked, was playing cricket for the country. Very important. I think it's important that sports is part of the curriculum, because nowadays, gone are the days when you're a bookworm and you succeed in life, because you have to have all-round development, and only then can you adjust and to various situation you're in, and respond to various situation you're in with lot of conviction. So I think it's very, very important, because I mean my case illustrates that even though I was a good student, but because of cricket and all the various experiences I had in the game of cricket, I was able to come out in flying colors in some tough situation, not only on a cricket field but in my personal life also. So I think it's very important to give that all-round development to a child. Yeah, I think a lot of times, especially with Sachin, I remember having a lot of talks and discussion with Sachin about our upbringing. So Sachin used to always praise the kind of inspiration he got from his dad, because his dad was his role model, and same with me. So we both had very similar kind of upbringing, where we were inculcated with a lot of family values, and I think those values and that upbringing has really helped us in facing various situations in our life. Yeah, it's great, because when you're a professional cricketer, you're always on road, you're on tour, you hardly are at home for more than, say, 2 or 3 days, because either you're playing domestic cricket or you're playing international cricket, and it's very tough. But once I retired, obviously, even though I'm busy with various ventures of mine, but it's never that I'm out of my house for maybe more than 1 month or 2 months. So it's great to see the way my kids are growing at the moment, and my son is 7, my daughter is 5, and it's been phenomenal to spend some time with them, especially after this schooling hours. I love dropping and picking them up from school, then help them in their homework, or play with them in the evening, and then have meal together. So I think it's been fantastic for me. I think he's interested in everything, and he's a sporty kid, who wants to try out various sports, not restricting himself to cricket, but all the other sports, and also he's good in academics, and I think his general, I think opportunity should be given to him to try and explore all the things he wants to do, and which he loves, and I think then he himself will realize that what is good, and then he can take that further.